Hi everybody and welcome back to Copeland's Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. In today's video, we're back in Eden, Pennsylvania. This is part 3 of our building makeover. Today we'll be working on putting the metal on the roof. Come check it out. When starting a metal roof, the first thing that we do is put our drip edge on, or Denver eave, depending on what you call it. We just nail it down to our 2x6 header using 1.25" roofing nails. After the drip edge is on, we cover the roof using a moisture barrier. We like to use this woven house wrap. It's really good to stand on, and it also makes a good barrier. We're putting on our first piece of metal. On this building, we're using a regular black corrugated metal panel. He is aligning the metal with the gable end and assuring that it is hanging over 1 inch over our drip edge. After the first piece of metal, we put on our gable trim. He made a mark and cuts in 1 inch. We cut the screw flange off completely. Then we bend the tabs in 90 degrees to make it look really nice and clean. We attach it by using 1.5" metal screws. He is using 1.5" self-tapping metal screws with rubber washers on them to fasten the metal down to the roof. He has to cut the last piece to fit on the roof. We are installing snow bar on our last row of screws. This ensures that the heavy weight of the snow doesn't rip the gutters off. We use 2-inch metal screws and screw right down through the ridge. He is putting M-seal at the bottom of our wall flashing. This ensures that water and snow doesn't get blown up underneath it. We secure it down using 2-inch screws and screwing right down through the ridge. We have to cut a 412 angle on the fascia to put on the lean-to. And then we just repeat the same process on the back side of the building. Before we can put metal on the back lean-to, we wanted to put this exhaust pipe up through the roof. So that wraps up today's video and the roof. I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, help us out by hitting the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. If you're interested in Copeland's Builders helping you build your next dream project, and you live in the Western Pennsylvania or Eastern Ohio area, call me, Robert, at 814-572-5241, and I'll be happy to talk to you.